Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq, all the three trading bullish. Now what is going to happen today, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end Dow Jones. Let's start with gold first. Gold on the hourly charts has seen high of 1770 trading above the resistance level, and it gave a strong bullish breakout as we had seen. Also it has almost achieved the highs of this channel, but if you look at this, there is still very much scope for it to achieve till towards 1780 levels right now, and it has precisely taken the support at 1760 and bounced back from the lower end of the channels. Now if you look at this, directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, RSI comfortable. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, if you see, similarly on the 2-hour charts, it has given a bullish breakout here and trying to act bullish here. Now look at this, on the downside you should be watchful of 1765 and then 1760 level. See, 1760 anyways is going to be the stronger support, as I had told in morning. Also it failed to sustain below 1760 and bounced back strongly. Now I'll be looking forward for it to achieve. Now if it breaks past 1775, you can expect that it is going to hit 1780, but remember on the 2-hour charts it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands and hence it may get a pullback on the downside. Be watchful here. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is near to overbought, RSI is again near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour charts, getting the resistance at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and it is getting the resistance from the top of the Donchian channel. And yes, there is a support at 1760 very much there. Only if it breaks below 1760 you can go short, else you can remain long, but be watchful and be cautious as it is trading in a overbought zone on the near term indicators. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is again looking upwards. The MACD is again trying to cross over for a bullish crossover. RSI is near to top. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, similarly, see, after this breakout, this is the first green candle and probably it can give you the second green candle, but be watchful. See, lower highs are done, probably it can retrace again on the downside till towards 1765 levels. Be watchful of 1765 now. 1765-64 has definitely given it a stronger support, so be watchful. Only if it breaks below 1764 you can go short for 1760, and below that you can remain short. So now be watchful of 1764, and on the downside you should be watchful. Upside you should be watchful of 1775 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is near to it is trading in a bullish zone, however trading with very little divergence. RSI is overbought and hence it will take a vertical drop if it tries to do so. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, it has achieved the high there, and see, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. That is why it is trying to get the pullback here and probably restraining on the upside. Yes, there is a little resistance it has got from the variable moving average, exponential moving average 50 days, and it is getting the resistance. It is trying to pull back again. Yes, if you see it trading below 1764, go short again, and this time it may not get the support at 1760 and we will see a break from there. So yes, you can go short at 1764 till the time it trades above 1764. Do not try to take a short entry. On the daily charts, directional movement is looking forward to a bullish crossover. However, the stochastic is looking forward to a drop there. The MACD is also wide divergent and bullish, and RSI is near to top. So be watchful of 1764 and you can go short there. And on the upside, now be watchful of 1775. Only it trades above 1775. You can go long, but there is a resistance at 1778 and 80 levels. Beyond that, you can remain long for the rest of the week, and it is going to fly high on the upside. So take your positions accordingly. Now, yes, below 1764 you can expect 1760, 1755, 1750 to provide a support, and then 1745 very strong support. Do not trade between 1764 to 1775 levels. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Likewise, Trek 102 has seen a high and it has crossed over again the Bollinger Bands and trying to trade in this bullish channel. Yes, the support there at now at around 12,920 is there, and then below that, yes, it is going to be at 12,880. As I told earlier in the day, go short only if you see it trading below 12,880. Below 12,880 definitely a stronger drop will be seen, so be cautious till 12,880 levels. On the upside, yes, you have to be cautious of 12,990, 13,000 levels. These are going to be a stronger resistance zone. Directional movement, stochastic comfortable, directional movement bullish. MACD is looking forward to converge and crossover for a buy. RSI looking downwards, as on the hourly charts you can see there is a drop. On the 2-hour chart, similarly you will find that, see, it has seen a high it is trying to trade in this. There could be a support which it might get at around 12,900 and then 12,880 levels. Only short entry I will recommend. If you see it trading below 12,880, there is going to be a definite drop, and then one can remain short on US 100 below 12,880 level. The first target should be at 12,850, then 12,800, and below that it is going to crash strongly on the downside. Directional movement is comfortable. It is stochastic is comfortable, it is looking upwards. Directional movement is bullish. MACD is bearish. RSI is near to top. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, it is seen, see the previous two candles, it is trying to trade in this channel. The support there at 12,990 and 12,880 is going to be strong. Only if it breaks below 12,880 you can go short, and then one can expect 12,850, 800, and then below that a crash should appear. Right now it is trading in a bullish channel, and be watchful on the upside of 12,970 and 12,990 levels. Above 13,020 definitely a stronger bullish push can be expected. So directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over on the 3-hour chart. This is a bearish crossover, hence one can expect bearish moves. RSI is overbought on the 3-hour chart. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. Higher lows, higher highs, trying to trade in this. If it breaks past this 12,920 levels, 12,910 levels rather, I will say, if it breaks past 12,910, go short and expect 12,900, 880, and then below that it is going to break for 850 and 800 levels. Below that a crash could appear there. Till the time it trades about 12,910, do not think of taking any position. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell entry, and hence on the 4-hour charts we can expect a red candle. RSI is overbought, and hence we can expect a drop. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, lower highs are done. Now if you see it trading below 12,900, yes, you can go short there, and then this time it is going to give you equally bearish move, taking it till towards 12,850 and 12,800 levels. So go short at 12,900 itself. Below that definitely a stronger bearish move can be expected. Directional movement is extremely bullish. Stochastic is overbought, converging for a sell there. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish, and the RSI is near to top. So considering this, only long entry I'll recommend is beyond 12,990 levels, and a short entry below 12,890 levels. In between these 100 points, do not trade below 12,890. The first target 12,880, then 12,850 and 12,810 levels will come into picture. Below 12,810 it is going to break heavily till towards 12,750, 700 levels. On the upside, if it breaks past 12,990, go long for 13,020, 13,050, and then 13,100 will come into picture. Beyond that it is going to fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow. US 30 has seen a high of 32,880 levels, and it has almost achieved the top of the Bollinger Bands, trying to retrace back again on the downside. It is trying to trade in this channel. The support there at 12,800, 32,800 is strong, and then 32,700 is strong. Below 32,780 you can go short, and it is going to fill this gap at 32,740, and then below that 32,700 will come into picture. Any move below 32,700 you can remain short for the rest of the day, and it is going to crash heavily on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bearish. RSI is looking downward, so probably an indication that a drop can follow. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour chart, it is trying to trade in this channel. The support now at 12,750 and 32,750 and 32,700 is strong. We have to be watchful of this. Only if it breaks below 32,700 we can sense that it is going to give you 32,650, 32,600, and in fact it can drop till towards 32,500. My target is towards 32,500 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is near to top. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, similarly it is showing a reversal there, and it is trying to trade in this channel. The highs are done. Once it breaks past 32,750 levels, yes, you can go short at 32,700, and then below that you can expect it to drop for 32,600 and 32,500 levels, and one can remain short further. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over on the 3-hour charts, and hence we can expect further bearishness there. And RSI is looking vertically downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour charts, the highs are done. It is looking forward to 32,750 levels. Below 32,750, definitely a good drop can be expected till towards 32,700. The first support below 32,700, one can remain short for 32,650, 600 and 32,500 levels. In fact, further drop can be expected on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is looking forward to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI is overbought and hence a drop can be expected. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it has seen the lower highs now, failed to sustain above 32,900, and similarly likewise it is failed to sustain below 32,700. Yes, you can go short at 32,750, but be watchful of 32,700, and below 32,700 one can remain short, and then my target is going to be 32,600, 550 and 500 levels. Below 32,500 there could be a stronger drop which might try to take it till towards 32,300 and 250. 32,300, 250, very strong support zone. This is going to be the 100 and 200 period moving average, which might give it a very strong support. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. The RSI is overbought, and hence considering this, I will look forward to a drop, and only long entry I will recommend is beyond 32,900. Beyond 32,900 one can stay long, and yes, below 32,750 you can go short, and if you want to take a safe entry, you can go short at 32,700. Below 32,700 it is going to crash for 32,600, 500, and in fact 32,300, 250 levels can be expected. Do not trade between 32,750 and 32,900. At least be cautious while taking any position in between these levels. I'll look forward to a drop, hence you have to be cautious while taking a position. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 8th of August. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime technical support is what you get for your decision making. So join this mentorship batch. Definitely it will help you become a proficient and profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.